Thank you for joining the Student Computer Skills Survival Guide. Today, we'll be discussing Boot Camp. If you're native to Windows operating system, but your faculty requires you to use Mac for certain software, this video is definitely for you. So what is Boot Camp? Boot Camp is a free built-in utility on your Mac that partitions your Mac hard drive to allow Windows to install it and run. Now, you can get the best of both worlds without having to own two different computers. Here are a few things you might want to know before getting started. Before running Boot Camp, it's best practice to back up your hard drive before attempting to partition it. You should also be mindful to allow 10 gigabytes or more of free hard drive space before attempting to run Boot Camp, as well as having OS X 10.6 or greater installed. You can only run one operating system at a time. So this means that every time you boot your computer up, you'll need to select which operating system you'd like to use, whether it be OS X or Windows. While your computer has the ability to run both Windows and OS X, you should be mindful that sharing files and data across Macintosh and Windows worlds may prove to be challenging at times. Boot Camp will ask you how much space you want to allocate on your computer for the partition. Try to allow at least 20 gigs of space. Lastly, try to have a minimum of 8 gigabytes of memory on a flash drive to save the Boot Camp drivers. You should also remember that in order to install Windows OS, you will need the product verification code, which can be obtainable through ITS once the program is readily available at Algonquin College. For more information on running Boot Camp and installing Windows, please visit the link below. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this helps.